Password analysis. Password analysis refers to the practice of evaluating and studying passwords for various purposes, including assessing their strengths, security, and patterns. When conducting password analysis, it's essential to assess their strengths or weaknesses based on various forms of attacks such as brute force and dictionary attacks. Typically, strong passwords will have longer, more complex, and unpredictable sequence of characters than their weaker counterparts. By understanding their target or creating an easy password, they could access all the required characters in order to generate an answer. Understanding password security and identifying weak or compromised passwords can help an attacker maintain access or a defender secure the environment. As discussed earlier, the ntds.dit file is the crown jewel within an Active Directory domain controller. This essential file contains the heart and soul of Active Directory user accounts and their respective password hashes. It's a valuable repository of sensitive data that attackers desire. Attackers can employ various methods to perform password analysis using the ntds.dit file. Password cracking. Attackers employ password cracking tools like Hashcat and John the Ripper to decipher hashed password extracted from ntds.dit file. These tools use techniques such as dictionary attacks or brute force attacks in order to recover plain text passwords. Pass the hash. Attackers sometimes employ pass the hash, an indirect method for authenticating users without needing to know their actual password. By impersonating users without their knowledge, attackers gain an entry without cracking passwords first. Now, we will examine various tools for analyzing hashes extracted from ntds.dit files. The first tool is NTDS Audit. NTDS Audit emerges as a formidable weapon in the arsenal of security professionals for scrutinizing the prized ntds.dit file. This versatile tool empowers them to extract critical password hashes and invaluable data residing within the Active Directory database. With NTDS Audit, security experts can diligently identify weak or readily guessable passwords, serving as a catalyst for organizations to enhance their password policies. Furthermore, it provides a robust platform for dissecting security vulnerabilities linked to passwords and access controls, offering a comprehensive view of potential weaknesses that demand immediate attention and mitigation measures. Let's see this in action. Before using the tool, ensure you have copied the ntds.dit file extracted from the domain controller on Kali to the Windows machine. Now you can either download the binary from GitHub page or use executable provided in the tools folder. Open up PowerShell and navigate to the path of the executable. Now run the binary along with the ntds.dit. We can see that the tool provides useful statistics relating to accounts and passwords, which would be useful in a pen test. The next tool is DPAT. Domain Password Audit Tool is a Python script that is designed to create statistics about password uses within a Windows domain. It achieves this by analyzing hash data obtained from a domain controller and combining it with a list of passwords that have been successfully cracked using a tool like John. The outcome of running this script is an interactive HTML report that provides comprehensive information, enabling you to gain insights into password practices within an environment and detect potential problems. Additionally, there is an option to generate a sanitized version of the report if needed. Let us see how we can generate a password audit report using DPAT. Open Firefox in Kali and search for DPAT GitHub. Click on the first link and clone the GitHub repository. Let us run the tool without any parameters first. We can see that the tool takes two files as input. One of them is ntds.dit file with the flag -n and the other the cracked file. Here, the john.pot file will be present in the .john directory in the home folder. Let us run it again after passing both the arguments. we see that it generates a report which needs to be opened in Firefox. After opening the report, we see that it shows us different analytics data such as all password hashes, unique password hashes, percentage of passwords cracked, password length stats, top password reused, password history, etc. Password analysis is a critical aspect of cybersecurity. By comprehending how attackers leverage the ntds.dit file and employing tools like ntds audit and dpat, organizations can bolster their defenses and protect their invaluable password assets from falling into wrong hands.